I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by setting up the exact loadout and position that opens the only way. Equip a Cipher Pierce weapon, plus a heavy breaker and a stun utility. This combination forces the slammer into its vulnerable animation. Once done, move to a 45 degrees flank so you avoid direct cone attacks and preserve mobility. Time your first breach. Engage when the decoder cooldown drops below 3 seconds to interrupt the seal sequence and grab the initial advantage. You now maintain pressure through controlled burst windows and interrupts to prevent the slammer from resealing. Deliver 2 quick hits then an interrupt, repeating that rhythm within a 6-second window so shield regen never completes. Once done, use nearby cover to reset stagger and avoid the slammer's wide AoE. Move the fight to predictable terrain. Make sure to swap breaker tools every 12 seconds to force stagger thresholds and deny the enemy shield recovery. You close the encounter with a strict final combo. Deliver the heavy breaker strike immediately followed by the Cipher Pierce finisher within 1.5 seconds to collapse the seal. Once it falls, clear any residual drones quickly so you can secure loot and extract. If the seal unexpectedly reactivates, don't panic. Retreat about 10 meters, bait a predictable attack to reset its animation, then re-engage using the same breach rhythm to complete the only way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.